Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. So let's continue the parent functions graph. So today we will be talking about the graph of constant function, and for the discussion of parent function, this will be the last for now. We will talk about some more kind of parent functions, but after some weeks or some time. So far we will be restricting ourselves to this function. So constant function, any function whose output remains the same for any given input. How to plot this function? You can, it's not a big deal to plot. So whenever a function is constant, so it takes some constant value. Let's say it can be 5, f of x equal to 5, or g of x equal to 2, or h of x equal to minus 9. All these are constant functions. So how to plot this? So it's just the graph of this constant function is a horizontal line. For example, if this c is 5, then it will be here, and you will draw a horizontal line this way at y equal to 5. Of course, f of x equal to 5 means y equal to 5. If it is any other value, let's say it is some value c, so it remains the horizontal line. What about other properties? So the domain is all real numbers. You can give any value to it, it will always return a constant value. And range is singleton set, and this is c, this just one value. And what about, excuse me, what about its increasing decreasing behavior? Of course it is constant by name, it is constant on all of this, minus infinity to plus infinity. So it's constant from minus infinity to plus infinity. And it is even function. Why? Because if you are kind of giving it minus x, again it is equal to c, so it is f of x. So it's even function, and hence it is symmetric about y-axis. Symmetric about y-axis. If c is 0, this c, you can say that if f of x is equal to 0, then we have x-intercept, and it is all of this x's. Otherwise it doesn't have x-intercept. Sorry. If f of x equal to 0, then every x value is its x-intercept. If it is some other value, 5 or 3 or 2 or minus 1 or any value other, then it doesn't have any x-intercept. Thank you.